Hello everyone, welcome back to Flat Media. Today I will show you how to create video using ChatGPT AI technology with Filmora 12.
HAARP stands for High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, and it is a research facility located in Gacona, Alaska, which was initially funded by the U.S. Air Force, Navy.
Before we start the video, go in my description, and get a subscription on Elements Envato for the best stock footage. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Flat Media. Firstly, open your browser and search for chat. OpenAI.com. You need to create an account to start chatting with AI technology. I will ask ChatGPT to write content for me about HAARP. As you can see, there is already so much good content, but I will ask AI to tell me something more about HAARP. Then I will use free stock from FilmStock. Wondershare. I will search for tower footage. This foggy tower I think is great for HAARP video. Also, mountain trail is good choice. Now I'm searching for earth footage. This one is good for our content. Foggy sun is also another great option. And as last one, I will download this foggy city. Then open Filmora 12. Import your videos to the timeline. Now go to ChatGPT and copy the first text. Now open Filmora back again and go in Titles tab. Drag and drop default title. Double click on it and paste text. Then right click on text and click on text to speech. Here are some different voices. Let's try some of them.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare, creativity simplified. Wondershare, creativity simplified.
Wondershare.
When you choose the best for you, click OK. Now your voice is done. Let's see how it sounds.
HAARP stands for High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, and it is a research facility located in Gacona, Alaska, which was initially funded by the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. It is now operated by the...
Now right-click on Voice, and click on Speech to Text. You can choose language you want, and click OK. Our first text is done. With double-click on Text and Advance, you can edit text. Open ChatGPT again, and copy next content. Do the same steps again. Drop default title, and paste the text. Right-click and text to speech.
Wondershare,
Then right-click on Voice, and Speech to Text.
The primary objective of HAARP is to study the ionosphere and its interactions with the sun, which can affect communication and navigation systems, as well as weather patterns and other natural phenomena. The research conducted at HAARP has led to advancements in our understanding of the ionosphere, and has also contributed to the development of new technologies, such as over-the-horizon radar systems.
There is some mistakes, which easily can be edited. Now let's copy another paragraph. Drop default title, paste the text. Right-click and text-to-speech.
Wondershare.
Then right-click and speech-to-text. Let's copy last paragraph. Paste to your video, and right-click and text-to-speech.
Wondershare.
Delete text layer, and right-click on voice, and speech-to-text. Now I need one more footage. I will find some glacier footage. Now when you are done, you can edit text. Also, you can fix some mistakes if there is. I will speed up this process. As last thing, found some tension song. Let's see the final result.
HAARP stands for High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, and it is a research facility located in Gacona, Alaska, which was initially funded by the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, and is now operated by the University of Alaska Fairbanks. The primary objective of HAARP is to study the ionosphere and its interactions with the Sun, which can affect communication and navigation systems, as well as weather patterns and other natural phenomena. The research conducted at HAARP has led to advancements in our understanding of the ionosphere, and has also contributed to the development of new technologies, such as over-the-horizon radar system.